In addition to network monitoring, SendQuick Cloud also offers an email filter feature. To utilize this functionality, click on the email filter option and then select Create New Mail Filter Rule. On this page, you can choose the parameters you wish to filter by and specify whether all conditions must be met or if any one condition is sufficient to trigger an alert. Fill in the required details and click Submit to generate new filter rule. Once you have completed the above steps, you can click on the eye icon to preview the rule and create a new alert list. On the subsequent page, provide a name for the alert and select the recipients who should receive it. Click Submit to complete the process.